there. My name is Suri, and I'm 8 years old. Today, I want to tell you about someone very special. My mom. My mom is the best person in the world. She always knows what I need even before I say a word. Every morning, she wakes up early to make breakfast. The smell of eggs, toast, and warm milk fills the kitchen. She greets me with a big smile and says, "Good morning, sweetheart." She helps me get ready for school. She combs my hair gently and reminds me not to forget my lunchbox. And when I leave, she waves at the door until I'm out of sight. At school, I sometimes miss her hugs, but I know she's waiting for me at home, just like always. When I feel tired or sad, Mom always listens. She never gets bored of my stories, even the silly ones. She gives the best hugs and says, "Everything will be okay," and somehow it always is. In the afternoon, she helps me with my homework. Sometimes we laugh when we get stuck. Sometimes she shows me how to try again. She says, "What matters is that you do your best. That makes me feel brave." In the evening, we eat dinner together. She asks how my day was, and I tell her everything. She tells me stories, too, about when she was little, just like me. After dinner, we watch a cartoon, play a game, or read a book. Before bed, she tucks me in and gives me a goodnight kiss. "Sweet dreams," she whispers, and I fall asleep feeling safe and happy. My mom is strong. My mom is kind. My mom is full of love. I want to be like her when I grow up. I'm so lucky to have a mom like mine.